Hi everyone, this is Sugantha Priya, Assistant Professor in the Department of Computer Science with Full Stack Web Development. This presentation is about Web Designing Introduction in the topic Essence of Web Technology. The outline of the presentation includes what is web designing, introduction to web designing, and the concept of effective web design. We will discuss this one by one. So, web designing, it is a process of creating websites in a more effective manner. Mainly, it consists of different aspects, which includes web page layout, content protection, and the graphic design. While the terms web design and the web development are mostly interchangeable, web design is technically a subset of broader category of the web development. At the center is a web design and its surrounding are the 8 important aspects. We will discuss this one by one. First is the usability, ensuring the website is easy to navigate and user friendly. Second is functionality. The website must work properly with all the necessary features and all necessary elements. Third is a branding, reflecting the identity of a business or an organization. Fourth is a professional, maintaining a clean and a trustworthy and a polished look of your web development. Fifth is your messaging. There should be a clear communication of the website's purpose and its content. Sixth one is your simplicity. You should avoid unnecessary complexity to enhance your user experience. Seventh is engaging. You should keep all visitors interested through interactive and appealing design. Next is eighth is your accessibility, making the website usable for people of all abilities and devices. Next, we will discuss the concept of effective web design. Here are some of the tips to enhance your web design. First is having a purpose and a plan. A user needs a reason to visit a particular application. That's why your website should clearly explain or convey the services or the products you are offering to the users. And also, your website and each page of it should have a purpose and a clear specification that what it is going to do. Next is you should understand your website from user point of view and you should plan according to that. So second is your simplicity. So simplicity in web designing, less is more approaches that works more effectively. You should make your website more simple and try to display one detail at a time for getting an individual attention of each part. Most people put everything on the same page, whatever they want on their website, which makes the screen cluttered and the user gets distracted and confused. Next, third is the readability. The user should not face difficulty in reading the text on your website. So you need to pay attention to the contrast between your text and its background. A lot of people uses background image with the text over it, where the image doesn't have any overlay and the text gets blended with the image. You should use the same dark overlay over the image and then the text over that you make your content more readable. Next, fifth is your simple navigation. The navigation of your website is extremely very important in designing your web pages. The navigation is going to organize your complete website and it is going to guide the user to move around your application. And also the navigation menu should be on the top and sticky on your website so that when the user scroll down the web page, they can find and access the menu on your website. Next, basically, you should use a 3-click rule in your application that allows the users to get all information they need in the 3 clicks. Next, sixth is your call to action. It is very important in your website to have a clear call to action button or form that indicates the next step or action that the user take on a page to accomplish the task. For example, buy now, sign up, contact form, subscription, registration form, social media button, etc. So next, seventh is your load speed. So most of the user move away from the website within just 5 seconds of their ID doesn't load fast. So the size of your image or the videos make a big impact on the website speed. So try to compress the image before you add it there. Next, 8 is your prioritize scrolling. we have already mentioned that you should avoid sliders to present a lot of information on the website. So the best way to present more content and fit that into your website is by using the scroll bar. So it has been found in one of the studies that the conversion rates increased by up to 30% when you add a scrolling feature on your website. So next, ninth is your picking up the right image. So the picture says a lot about a particular website. You should choose a right image from your website. You can get a lot of visitors. So you can take images from professionals or from Photostock that provides high quality images with a natural look. Your image should clearly speak the type of messages you want your user to understand. And also by adding photos of people can increase the conversion rates of your website. Next, 10th one is your color palette. The color of your website should match the brand of your website. Choosing the right color to represent your brand is very important. Use a single color for main element as a primary one, highlights for the secondary one, and other less important elements as a background. And also you need to keep in mind that your primary, secondary and background colors should be very consistent throughout your entire site. And also vibrant colors create emotion, so that they should be used in a very effective manner. Thank you.